So, it's been a good few weeks since the video. There are reasons for that. I just didn't film. This video is going to be a little bit more personal to me because I'm actually doing my room. So it's going to be fun. Me and Jakey Boy stripped all this room this morning. Didn't film that because it was a mess and there was no room to do anything. But I have to redo all this room on my own in the next few days. So I have a budget to this room and it is £600. And again, we got the flooring this morning, expecting it to be about 150 quid. Yeah, I pretty much doubled that. So the budget's quite tight. I was just having a look if there were any wires going across, and it was better than I thought. It's pretty new. Wondering what I'm doing and why I'm screwing all the boards down, because it's really creaky. Because they had the old flathead screwdrivers. Focus. Focus, please focus, please focus. Because they had that screw and it doesn't go all the way up, it's just squeaking on that and it's doing me head in. There's a joist missing here. It's right there, there's a joist, but I think there's a beam ring where I am, where I'm laying right now. I'm going to take this board up, take this one up, because that's creaking somewhere. But this one needs to come up that I'm doing now, so. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my knee. Oh. Oh, 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 that was a big nail. Oh, lovely. That was a good guess. 3, 4, 5 rule never fails me. That level is set up 2 inches off of the wall plus the skirting board there. And now look at this. That is right in that corner. That's how old this building is. It's 2 inches out that one wall. The plan was to build the stud, have it all nice and level inside, but I need 600 roughly. But I think it's going to be a change of plan. I think I'm going to leave the wall as it is. And I'm just going to put just a sheet of MDF over that. So because this is a plywood wall, I think it's all been stud lined previously just to help with damp, I'm assuming. So I think if I just get some 6mm MDF and put it on that and pin it on with a bit of glue on the back, I'll just probably leave it at that. Okay, it is day 2 of the bedroom build. I am halfway through my budget on just flooring and that stud work alone. I think I'm about 300 and some quid. So now all I need to do is MDF all that wall inside those two sides. We've got to put two 2-foot doors in here and there. I need to buy all the cladding for all of that. I need to MDF all that wall, and I'm contemplating MDF in all of this wall and this wall as well. It'll just give it a smoother finish, and then possibly be cheaper painting, because then I won't need to line it all. Because I don't want to strip the wallpaper because it's a pain in the arse, and because the building's so old, if I put steam on it, it could blow the plaster as well, so I'd rather not that happen. But I've got all those things to buy. I've got to go to a job now with the lad. I've just got to go fix something, and then we've got to go buy stuff. But you won't see me until I'm back in this position, roughly. I don't know, I have no idea. Not the side. Well, you can pin and then, but then screw it later.
No, just like pin it so it's like not all over the show, and then also just
I'll just put it in place.
Normally.
No, if you want to, you can pin that if you want. Pin it in place and then.
I'm not gonna be able to put one normally, am I? So there's no point getting dry there, is there?
Right, I did not mean for that to happen. That was awesome. I genuinely didn't mean for that to happen. The plan is to put normal doors in here and then clad over the doors so you can't see that this is a wardrobe and that's a wardrobe. It's like a secret wardrobe. And then all this wall is going to be having like pictures on it and stuff like that, and photo frames and anything to take your eye off, making it look like a proper wardrobe. That's the plan anyway. I don't know. I just make these things in my head and go, that's a great idea. Anyway, we need to put the cladding on. Now to fix the cladding, I've got some 50mm Paslode nails. I'm just going to put them in because it's going to be like a rustic look, so I'm not really fussed if you see the nails. I'm going to burn the wall as well. I'm not sure I want to do that because I am putting it up now, and if I do set fire to it, there's a fire hazard of me setting the house on fire. I'll figure it out. I might even do that. I might just stain it and see what that looks like. However, the only problem is this timber we've got is extremely wet, so hopefully we can put it up and then leave it to dry for a few days and see what that does. So for the timber, I've decided to use 6x1 rough sawn. Rough sawn is perfect for what I need because of the look I'm going for. Planed is too perfect. It would require a lot more work. This doesn't, and it'll look really nice. I'm just hoping it can dry out a lot more. And the reason I went for 6x1 is because that's all they have. So. mess. It's like 8 o'clock. I'm tired. That is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, because that's always good and morale boosting. Also, if you enjoyed it, subscribe. Alright, see you later.